has dried perpendicular to the scalp. I just need to figure out lot of suddenly hair is like, it's like a cone on my head. Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to a Sawal Saturday video. Remember how last week I told you I'll do more Sawal Saturday videos and then you were like, fuck, ye to nahi karegi. So we have a bunch of fun SS questions. So we're gonna get into it. Prajakta X vibe. Hi. How was the Momo party? The Momo party was so good, dude. So Vishank and I've spoken about this before. Like, hamari love language is Momo and making Momo together and like calling people that we love over and then making Momo with them also. हम सबको सिखा देंगे, सबको सिखा देंगे. So it was great. And Vishank makes the best Momo in the world and he makes the best achar in the world. So it's great. Mostly Sane fangirl. Hi. How does being 32 feel? I'm 21 and I still can't process it. Honestly, it really doesn't feel like anything. Like, it doesn't feel like anything scary. मतलब जब मैं 21 साल की थी, I know what you mean. उस टाइम पे मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि ओ मैं 22 की हो गई, मैं 25 की हो गई, मैं 28 की हो गई, मैं 30 की हो गई. लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से 28-29 के बाद ना एक बार वो किसी फीलिंग्स की स्टैग्नेंसी आ जाती है एज को लेके. Because suddenly what happens, especially with women, I'm guessing because I've spoken to a lot of my girlfriends about this and they agree, is that when we're 28-29, उतने साल तो लग जाते हमको हमारी बॉडी समझने के लिए भाई. So I think I am the most aware about my mental and my physical being at this age. So suddenly being 32 has nothing to do with it. You know what I mean? I don't think you do. But it doesn't feel anything. It doesn't feel different. This is also I think the strongest and the fittest I have been so far. But obviously I have a goal that I'm working towards. Falak Patel 346. Hi Falak. Do you recommend a 16-year-old to buy a Kindle? Yes, 100%. I would recommend everyone to buy a Kindle if that is something that's going to get you to read more. However, अगर आप 16 years के और ऑलरेडी बहुत बुक्स पढ़ते हो तो Kindle खरीदना. ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने आज तक कभी बुक्स नहीं पढ़ी कि मुझे Kindle पे ही पढ़ने हैं. नहीं. If you want to be a reader, Kindle is a tool for reading. If you're a reader, then go for it. If you want to be a reader, then read books. Buy books. And then you'll know. See, the reason I got a Kindle is क्योंकि I was polishing books, like 2 to 3 books in like a couple of weeks, and I was traveling a lot. तो वो ना carry करना दिक्कत हो जाती है. उसको पकड़ना अगर आप flight में हो, अगर आप तो light on नहीं रख सकते, things like that. Kindle just makes those things much easier because I can have a lot of books, and then I also don't have to keep spending money every time I'm at the airport to buy new books. So that is why I started reading on a Kindle. P. Sonoval, I'm so sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. 5. Hi. How do you handle बाहर के लोग क्या बोलेंगे? I don't handle it because it is so far beyond my control. लोग क्या बोलिए, मैं अपने मम्मा पापा को भी बहुत क्रेडिट देना चाहूंगी इस बात का कि हमारे घर में कभी ये बातें नहीं होती थी कि ऐसा मत किया करो लोग क्या कहेंगे, वो मत बोलो लोग क्या कहेंगे. हमारे घर में सिर्फ एक दूसरे से फर्क पड़ता था हम तीनों को. एंड देन नाउ विशांक इज इंक्लूडेड इन दैट. मेरा सर्कल बहुत छोटा है और वो सर्कल हैज रिमेन्ड द सेम फॉर डेकेड्स नाउ. और जो नए एडिशंस हुए हैं वो भी ऐसे हुए हैं जैसे कि हम जानते थे एक दूसरे को बहुत टाइम से. सो इट्स बिकम दोज फ्रेंडशिप्स हैव स्टार्टेड वेरी सॉलिड even if they've entered my life late. And बस ये लोग क्या बोलेंगे मुझे उससे फर्क पड़ता है क्योंकि जिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आप बोल रहे हो उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट पे तो मेरा कोई कंट्रोल ही नहीं है क्योंकि लोग तो बोलेंगे. लोगों का काम है कहना. जागृती सरक 11. तुम्हाला मराठीमध्ये शिव्या येतात का? हो, म्हणजे काय, मी 20 वर्षाची असताना गाडी शिकले चालवायला आणि मी गाडी शिकलेच ह्या कारणासाठी की मला त्या सगळ्या शिव्या वापरायच्या होत्या. बिकॉज अदरवाइज when I'm in life anymore I don't cuss very often, especially in मराठी और हिंदी. मैं जब थिएटर करती थी कॉलेज में तब मेरी जुबान बहुत ही बुरी थी. Like my language was filthy. I would use terrible words. But that lasted about 2-3 years. It didn't last for too long. फिर उसके बाद the only time I cuss and I give galis, I only give galis in Marathi and that is when I'm driving. Otherwise, I don't give galis. 00 Dwere. What a strange. Okay, drop that Momo chutney recipe, chef. It's all Vishank, dude. It's all Vishank. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि अगर मैंने सीखा है मोमो बनाना तो मैं बनाना चाहती हूँ. मुझे करना है. But then I have eaten the momo he makes. It's the best momo in the world. So I don't mess with this process. I'm the sous chef. I clean the counters and I prep for everything before and after. I am never interfering with him and his recipe when he's making momo and chutney. So he will give it to you. Preet Rajpara. Hi Preet. Andhera update, when will it release? The fact that you have asked this to me right now, today is when we have communication about Andhera. आज आई है email जहां जाके मेरा जीव भांडे में गिरा है. Ask your Marathi friends what that means. And अभी कहीं जाके अपडेट है कि अपडेट है. So you will know soon. You will know soon for sure now. ये 2 साल से तो मैं soon ऐसे बिना हवे में बोलते रहती क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था. अब पता चल जाएगा. Itisha Verma. Hi Itisha. Life sometimes feels very ordinary. How to make it happening? How to actually romanticize life? Wow, this is a very deep question, dude. Do you want me to make a separate Real Talk Tuesday video about this? Do you want me to give you a step-by-step guide to delusion to romanticize life? Let me know. I will drop that on Tuesday. Pratik Shah. Hi Pratik Shah. So happy and excited that you're working on your second novel. I know. Is it a love story? Of course it's a love story, bro. I don't think मुझे और कुछ लिखना है इस वक्त. At this point in my life, I don't want to write anything else. I miss romance. I love romance, and I'm only going to write romance. Of course it's a love story. It is not a sequel, but it's in the same universe. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं बोल सकती. Bandekar _30. Hello. Hi Prajakta. Ever had a friendship betrayal? Love you. Yeah, of course. I've had a terrible heartbreak with friendship a couple of times actually. And I can't explain how it feels, or I can't explain how tough it is to get over it, honestly. मेरे साथ ऐसा, एक तो मेरे दोस्त वैसे ही बहुत कम बनाती हूँ मैं, बनते भी मेरे से बहुत कम है, तो जब बन जाते हैं और जब छूट जाते हैं तो बहुत दिल टूटता है. And I don't want to rate feelings or I don't want to demean any other emotion, लेकिन मुझे honestly ऐसा लगता है कि जब heartbreak दोस्त के साथ होता है ना, वो थोड़ा ज्यादा hurt करता है, क्योंकि नई नई दोस्ती किसी से होती है आपकी, तो आपके दिमाग में ये वाली बात कभी आती ही नहीं कि शायद ये दोस्त ना रहे आपकी लाइफ में, मतलब जिंदा रहे पर लाइक लाइफ में ना रहे, ये आपके दिमाग में कभी बात ही नहीं आती है, क्योंकि दोस्त है भाई, कहाँ जाएगा, दोस्त पे कहाँ जाएगी, इट्स ऑलवेज गोना से. सो जब वो टूट जाता है ना तो इट्स टफ. So of course I've had a betrayal. There has been a betrayal that I have made where I wasn't very nice to someone who was a close friend, and I have learned from it. So yeah, I think it's all a part of life. So what, Shreya? So what then? Do you sometimes have self-doubt, like what you are doing is not enough? How to overcome? I never have this doubt that what I'm doing is not enough, क्योंकि touchwood, sometimes I have an issue that I'm doing too much. Like sometimes I have to tell myself कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है, ये this is not healthy. But I do have self-doubt at every step, honestly, कि मुझे लगता है मैंने why have I signed up for this? है क्या मेरे बस की, कर पाऊंगी क्या? And I think that continues. I've had it for a decade now, but I also don't want to completely get rid of it, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कहीं पे it neutralizes the fears and the nerves and the confidence. जब थोड़ा सा self doubt हो, थोड़ा सा डर लगा रहे, तो वो over confidence या being over your head इन सारे emotions को balance out कर सकता है आपके दिमाग में. It could help you feel a little more grounded. So I don't completely hate it, but I do feel it very often. Palak 13. Hi Palak. As a young girl who has to start her own business, any suggestions you want to give? Wow. Yeah, I mean, I can only share what I have learned as what started as a YouTube channel but then became a business eventually, and I didn't really see it become one till it actually became one. So I think a team is very 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 important. मुझे लगता है कि आपके ब्रांड को, आपके कंपनी को a team can make or break it. बहुत बहुत ध्यान से चुनना उन लोगों को जिनके कंधों पे एक एक पिलर होगा आपकी कंपनी का. There is no alternative to hard work. And it could sound like a cliche and it could sound like a, मतलब हाँ ये तो पता ही है, but मैं बता रही हूँ, there's no alternative and there's nothing that works as well. मतलब भले ही रोज बस पहुंच जाओ, that will also work 10 times more than not showing up. I don't know, I'm not making myself very clear, but there is no alternative and there's nothing that works as well as hard work, and I can say that from my personal experience. The only thing I have to my credit at this point, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मेरी टीम का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, मेरी ऑडियंस का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, कहीं ना कहीं जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज मेरी तरफ आई हैं उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, तो मैं बहुत कम जगहों पे पूरा क्रेडिट ले सकती हूँ, लेकिन the one place where I know I can take full credit for what I have today and what I want to achieve is that I know I work very hard. So there's no alternative to that. You have to work very hard. I think yeah, ये दो चीजों से अगर शुरुआत हो गई तो I think you'll be great. Mostly sane.life. Hi. We have your videos as our companion and we make edits when we miss you. What do you do when you miss us? I also make videos. Mostly sane Corey. Hi P. Have you ever thought of starting a podcast? I've never thought of it, but like I feel like in a lot of ways, this or my Real Talk Tuesday videos or the conversations that I've done with so many amazing people across, different professions also is in some way a podcast. मतलब उसको अगर वीडियो उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट करके डाल दोगे तो इट विल बी सिमिलर टू दैट. आई हैवंट रियली थॉट ऑफ स्टार्टिंग a podcast because I feel like I already have these places where I am having these conversations. Also, I don't think I have time to add one more thing to my kitty of impossible to-do lists. Oh, again mostly Saint Corey. Hi. When was the last time you went street shopping? When was the last time? Oh, in Goa. I went shopping in Goa. I forget the name of. I think Mandrem में थे. और वहाँ पे एक बहुत बहुत क्यूट मार्केट है जहाँ पे so the boys had gone to surf and my friend Isha and I we kind of went shopping. No, everybody went shopping and I got like cute bag and cute like Goa clothes and stuff like that. I think that was the last time I went shopping, street shopping. Yeah. उसके बाद तो नहीं गई हूँ पर मुझे जाना. आई रिमेम्बर इन कॉलेज मेरे पास 1000 रुपए का बजट होता था. आई यूज्ड टू सेव अप फ्रॉम व्हाटएवर मनी आई वुड मेक इन थिएटर एंड एवरी फ्यू मंथ्स आई वुड हैव अ बजट ऑफ 1000 rupees and then I would have to buy whatever I needed to in 1000 rupees. So we would go to Hill Road or we would go to Colaba Causeway. Linking Road I would not go to a lot because वहाँ पे बहुत ज्वेलरी वगैरह मिलती थी and I wasn't crazy but I would go a lot to Colaba Causeway. तो उन 1000 रुपए में शॉर्ट्स, डेनिम शॉर्ट्स आते थे, शर्ट्स आते थे. I remember buying a pair of DKNY jeans at one point. Chappals आ जाते थे. We used to wear these chappals called Oshos very often. So those used to be like 80 rupees, 100 rupees a pair. We used to get jewelry. We used to get like sling bags and tote bags, sunglasses. Yeah, all things that were key ingredients for my Orkut and Facebook profile pictures. But yeah, I think I should go street shopping. I feel like I miss street shopping. I'm gonna ask my girlies if anyone wants to come. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go now. If you have questions for me for Sawal Saturday, make sure you put in the comment section below and I'll answer it next week. Alright, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it's free. I'm gonna see you again either on Tuesday or definitely on Saturday. Until we meet, love.